Teddy, I think. Hello, Squibs. What are you doing to Teddy? Huh? What do you do to Teddy? She was licking the wall earlier. Now she... Oh, it's your... Oh, it's my turn. Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn. Squibs is just letting me know that this bit is dirt. And this vlog is going to be the 50th vlog. Woo! Party! Party, Squid! Party! He does have another one, which is pink. So he has an orangey red teddy and a pinky fluffy teddy. The Squid. This needs a wash tip, I think. Apparently it needs a wash as well. Why does it need a wash, Squid? I don't know. It just does. Well, you're such a washy little girl today, aren't you? You like to wash here and there and everywhere. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going on holiday with Squibble and Little Papsitter. And I bring my camera with me so I can do a vlog on holiday. I bring my flash. Hold on. Keep an eye on. So yeah, I'm going to bring my flash with me. That needs a wash as well. I hope you're not planning to chew it. No, it just needs a wash. My flash needs a wash from a squid. Don't chew its tail. You're just jealous. And here's Buzzy Boo. Hello, Buzzy Boo. This is the toy bag thing with the hat and a brush for the Buzzy Boo. He loves it, and it's pink. It's pink. That's Tubby's color. And you see it playing with Buzzy Boo because they're BFFs. There's those two playing. I'll be right back. I just need to go find something. I'm back and here's the floor. Squibble on the floor. What are you doing on the floor, Squibs? What are you doing on the floor? Where are we going? Where are we going? Going to step on your tail. Going this way. Here's Squibs. And Buzzy Boo. What are you doing, Buzzy Boo? There's Buzzy Boo. And there's everyone's favorite, Teddy. the rabbits because the rabbit's dark outside. As you can tell. It's dark out there. Yes, yes, yes. Go away, Moo. I don't like you. Go away. That was Tubby, by the way, not me. Oh. There's another kitten. There's 3 kittens, even though that's a puppy. 3 kittens. I'm saying Squibs is a kitten because Squibs thinks she is a kitten. And he thinks he's a puppy. Other way around. And here's little Pepsitter. And then little Pepsitter. Armpit. Armpit. It flies. No, dog. She's very exposed. Here's Squeak. I just dropped my camera. Here's Squeak. Say hi, Squeak. And there's Bird having some lunch. He's going nom nom. Right there. Hold on. Moo and Squibs and Kitty, best friends. No. Here's Skittles, Scottles, Biscuit. Sweet. And there's Birdie Bird. Here's Squeak. And here's Bill Pepper. And the best friends. Best friends, high five, and boom. Aww, this was like 20 years ago when you was a peep. Apparently she's 20. She's 20. It's her 11th month birthday tomorrow. She's gonna be 11 months old. Yay! And then next month, next month, it'll be her birthday. Her first birthday when she's gonna be 1 year old. 1 year old, Squibs, 1 year old. And then she becomes an old lady. An old lady. She's gonna be 1 year old. She's gonna be a little peep. She just wanted me to know. She did. And here's Birdie Bird. Here's Birdie Bird for the glass. Right there. All curled up, ready for bed. Oh, poor Squibbles. Now she has sticky up fur. And there's a dog. And there's a moo. You're a moo now, Squid.
He's there. He's always there.
Why is he? Bear, Scoop Bear in the distance. Da da da. Bear. Say goodbye,